my friend. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cutout guy for like your mascot games. Okay, I'm working on a game that I'm currently calling Applehead, and uh, that's why this happy one is right here. He's going to be like the mascot for the apple orchard factory here. And this guy is one of my apple heads, and then this guy was the original one right here. And with him, I actually made a little video of him like charging through this area. This door wasn't here, and he like runs at the camera. But this guy here is what we're into. This cardboard cutout with a button, and it says push my button. Appy says push it. Watch out for bad apples. Appy says an apple a day keeps anyone away if you throw it hard enough. I think I put like 7 different sayings in there. Appy says, do you like apples? Well, you've got a great job. How do you like them apples? So right there, he's supposed to be talking to like the security guard. The player's a security guard right now. And so he's saying, you've got a great job here at the factory, but really he doesn't because Applehead is going to be trying to kill him. So Appy says, this message will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotcha. All right, and then we got Appy says, life is like an apple. It can be sweet or it can be nasty and full of worms. Ew. Um, Appy says, be sure to wear your PPE. PP. Appy says, what's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding half a worm. And I think that's the last one, and then it goes right back to the beginning. Appy says, watch out for bad apples. Okay, so that's how it works. And what are you looking at, man? Huh? You want some? Yeah, I don't think so. All right, so that's how that works. Let's show you how it's done real quick. It's real easy, real quick. All right, so here in our scene, here's our cutout. Okay, if we go to the side, you can see there's, it's just a cutout. And what that is it's a model, so I could, you know, have the material I want on there. It's a plane, the mesh is a plane, and then the button right there is just a model. Okay, and you've got the head of it, so you can like push it in. You can see it push in if you want, and the back and the main part of it. So Happy here has this material because he's going to be the mascot for this game. So, but he's a good guy, you know what I mean. But anyway, Happy here, he's got his mesh renderer, he's got his material I made. So you can't see the outside of the plane because it's transparent. And we've got blending mode to alpha. If you do this and you see some residuals or anything, you can try the alpha clipping to resolve it. But he's got this image here, and it's just a ping image that I made. So you just make it have make because I used AI I think to make this image. So just have your mascot or whatever, take a picture of it, a screenshot or whatever, and put it into you know Photoshop or whatever you use. Uh, and make that image, and then you slap that on the material, you know, and put it on him. But the code, that's how you make him. But the code, let's see, Happy says, yeah, here we go. It's real short. It's only like 36. There you go. So we've got the usings, the public class, Happy says, and then we've got a private audio source called sound, and 7 public audio clips for each saying. Okay. Then we create an integer sound choice, which is the one we're going to be on. And down here in start, we declare sound as the audio source. That is, show you. Okay, so that would be down here. Where's your audio source? It's on the button. Yeah, on the button. So I put the audio source on a button because you're using the mouse to click the button. Okay. And that's it right there. And it's got one to start off with. It does not play in a wake or loop. Okay. So that is that. And we make a private void, so there's no update. Okay. It's just a private void on mouse down when you click the mouse. Uh, Now our int sound choice, we just set it to if 1, play this one, if 2, play this one, and so on. And then we increment the integer by 1. Sound choice goes up by 1. And then we check to see if the sound choice is greater than 7 because we put 7 here. I mean, you could put these in like an array too, but just for this, I'm just put them like this. So if sound choice is greater than 7, because that's the last one, then set it to 1. Sound choice equals 1. And it'll just play them over and over like that. Or alternatively, you could play it randomly. If random.range 0 of 2 is less than 1, play 1. You know what I mean? You can play it randomly. Else play this one. So that's that. Real easy, real simple, real quick. So this takes forever. So yeah, to keep this short, I'm gonna end it with happy there. But in the next one, I will show you how I'm doing a CCTV system for it. And right now, if you press Q, you go into CCTV mode because you're a security guard. You gotta check the TVs, you know. And then if you press 0x, you can switch your cameras around. They're all in this one room, but you can put them all over the level. Doesn't matter how many you have. Then you press Q again and you come out and you're back in player mode. So that'll be in the next one. But for now, Happy says, subscribe to my channel and peace out.